Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to know how to delete Instagram account, first go to your Instagram application and select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here on your home or profile page, select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now select Accounts Center. Now you can just simply go ahead and select Personal Details down below over here under the account settings, and you should be able to see account ownership and control, and tap on deactivation or deletion and select your Instagram account from here. And after that, you should be able to see delete account. So make sure to tap the second one and just simply select continue. Now from here, it will ask you a survey. So let's say I'm going to go for too many ads and tap on continue. And from here, what they will give you an advice about their advertising, since I chose advertising earlier, and I'm just going to tap on continue. And from here, you will have the information, or you will have a chance to back up your data or save your data for your Instagram account. Now, I don't want to, and you will have here multiple options that is provided by you, and tap on continue. And from here, just simply provide your password over here to proceed with this process. And from here, you will have the final page that if you didn't log in your account will be deleted on a certain date. So from here, you can cancel the deletion if you log in before the date stated, and just simply select delete account to proceed. If this video helped you out, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.